Some things in our universe sound so impossible that if you heard them in a movie, you'd swear they were made up. But they're not. Today, we re-diving into 5 real science facts that sound like pure science fiction, from creatures that survive outer space to stars so dense they can crush mountains into dust. Get ready. Fact number 1 begins now. Meet the tardigrade, a microscopic creature smaller than a grain of sand. And yet, it is one of the toughest life forms on Earth. Tardigrades can survive being frozen, being boiled, and radiation 1,000 times stronger than humans can handle. They can withstand extreme pressure at the bottom of the ocean and even the vacuum of outer space. NASA literally launched them into space. And many came back alive. Scientists still don't fully understand how they repair their DNA so quickly. If aliens existed, they might look like tardigrades, tiny, simple, and nearly indestructible. But our next fact takes impossible to a whole new level. In Tanzania lies Lake Neutron, a body of water so alkaline that animals touching it can become preserved like stone. No magic, just extreme chemistry. The lake's pH is as high as bleach, and temperatures can reach 60 degrees Celsius, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When a bird lands on the lake's surface, which often looks like a mirror, it can fall in, die, and slowly become encased in salt deposits. The result? Bodies that look petrified like statues. This one lake blurs the line between science and mythology. But wait until you hear about metal that can remember its shape. Imagine bending a piece of metal and watching it snap back into its original form as if it's alive. This is shape memory alloy, a futuristic material used in spacecraft, medical stents, and robotics. When heated, the metal rearranges its atomic structure and returns to the exact shape it had before. Some alloys even self-repair microcracks, acting almost like biological tissue. It's the closest thing to liquid metal from science fiction, except it's real and engineers use it today. But our next fact bends reality even harder. In space, there are stars so dense they defy logic. These are neutron stars, the collapsed cores of massive stars that exploded in supernovas. Inside a neutron star, atoms are crushed so tightly that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. Not tons, not millions of tons. An entire mountain. Gravity on a neutron star is so intense that if you dropped a paperclip onto its surface, it would hit with the force of an atomic bomb. This is not fantasy. This is the real physics of our universe, and our final fact might be the strangest of all. When lightning hits sand, it can fuse the minerals into glass tubes called fulgurites, nature's underground glass sculptures. But even stranger is the rare phenomenon called ball lightning, a glowing sphere of electrical energy that floats through the air like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Witnesses describe bright orbs moving silently, floating through windows, flickering like plasma, and then disappearing without a trace. Scientists still can't fully explain ball lightning. Some theories involve plasma, microwaves, or even quantum effects. And yet, thousands of people have seen it. Science fiction imagines impossible worlds, but the real universe is often far stranger. Indestructible creatures, petrifying lakes, memory metals. Stars with the weight of mountains. Fire that floats like a ghost. These aren't myths, these are facts. So the next time someone says reality is boring, tell them the truth is far more unbelievable. Which of these weird science facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love strange, mind-bending facts that sound impossible, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. The world is full of secrets, and we've only just begun to uncover them.